Can't tell me nothing. I'm feeling cute. Yeah. Alright, let me stop playing because I gotta go to church. Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. Looking a little rough, but today I'm here to show you all how I do my high puffs, and I've been doing it in the same way for years now. At least 5 years I've been doing it the same way. So I'm gonna show you all how I achieve my big voluminous high puff. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching. But before we get into that, if you haven't already, just take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button, and once you do that, that bell notification button is gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. All right, y'all, let's get into this. All right, so there's a few things that you're gonna need. Stretched hair. This is a week-old 3-strand twist out. Well, I put it in a week ago, and I took it out maybe 5 or 6 days ago. I could wear it. I could, but my hair is just feeling a little bit dry, and today would be wash day, but I have to postpone my wash day to do some things. So I'm just going to re-moisturize and restyle it really quick in a hot puff to do what I need to do until wash day. I'm using this moisturizer lotion. It's an OG product for me. My oil blend, spray bottle, my edge control, my brush, and a scarf. I have this headband. Make sure that it's stretched. How I stretch mine is, I think this one I put on the steering wheel in my car for a few days. You can also put it on the back of a chair to stretch it out so it's not so tight. And then, of course, bobby pins and gel. I'm using this because I only have a little bit left. So this is the black castor and flaxseed oil gel from Eco Styler. All right, it's how I like to start my puffs. First of all, get everything going in the same direction, and up is the direction we want to go in. And I like to do it on like old hairstyles because I still have some curl definition to it. All right, now that we have everything in an upwards motion, I'm gonna take some water. I'm just gonna mist the hair. Because I don't want to lose that definition that I had. And I'm just massaging that in. And I put a little bit more on the perimeter where I'm actually gonna slick it up. Now I'm gonna take my moisturizer. Like I said, it's the OG product. And the first ingredient is water. So this is my leave-in. And then my oil to seal all of my moisture in. Alright, so now we have everything moisturized. What I like to do is take my headband and go ahead and put it on, and then I just leave it on my neck. And there we go. And you'll know if it's not too tight if you can wrap it around your neck twice and it's not choking you. This one is a little tight because it's newer. Alright, the first thing I do is get my edge control. Alright, so I'm going to take my edge control and put that on the perimeter of my hair. That is nice and slick. Now I'm going to take my gel and put it all over the back. I put more on the back of it, of my puff, than I do the front. All right, once I smooth it on with my hands, then I can take my brush and smooth it out some more. And now we can slide the headband up. All right, so first I like to take the back and slide it up first without moving the front, so I can get the back as high or low as I want it. And I think that's good. Then you're gonna take your bobby pin, you're gonna take it with the ridge side facing down so it can grab onto your hair. And then I'm just going to slide that in to hold the headband in place. And then I'm gonna let the front go. Sometimes I have to move this a little further back because my hair is so stretched. And then bobby pin the same way. And if you need to, you can also bobby pin the sides, but my sides are usually good once I bobby pin the front and the back. And then you just need to fluff to your liking, okay? Actually, we're not gonna fluff yet because we gotta lay these edges, girl. So move this hair out the way. I'm gonna take my brush and we already got edge control and gel up there, so we're going to mold these edges. You know, just like a little swoop-de-doo. Nothing crazy or intricate because I don't have those edge length skills. So in order for this to really lay down, you gotta take your scarf, whatever scarf you have, and I fold mine in half, place it on the back because you want that back to lay down. And then we're gonna make sure that our edges are laid. Pull the hair out of the scarf. So it's not gonna be shaped yet. So I like to leave this on for probably like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'll come back and show you all just the little finishing touches that you need to do for your high puff. All right, y'all, I'm back. It's been longer than 30 minutes because I was watching YouTube videos and I gave my daughter a bath. All right, so these edges should be laid and the hair should be mostly dry. Ooh, y'all. Do y'all see this side view? What? See? All right, now I'm just gonna take my hands and just pull it out from. All right, so now I'm just gonna pull it out and up like that, just to fluff it all around. And my color is really growing out. It's like all in the puff. So I still have some definition from my 3-strand twist out. And then, you know, some that's doing its own thing. Okay, ooh. And that's it for the hot puff, y'all. Look at this. Very simple. So this is just gonna last me the next couple days since I have to push my wash day back. So today is Sunday. So this is gonna last me until I need to wash my hair, or till I can wash my hair, which will probably be Monday night or Tuesday. You know, so a little re-moisture style. Do y'all, I mean, look at these. Look. Late edges, okay? Before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. There it is. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Y'all see how I stayed in one spot so y'all can see these edges? Ain't sorry that I work it. Ain't sorry about the job. I think I accidentally overlined my lips. I did. I don't hate it. So let me rock. Let me rock it, girl.